Welcome back to the channel Auto Gear Hub, where today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. This electric pickup truck has generated more buzz than any vehicle in recent memory, and now that it's finally here, we're going to take a closer look at what it offers. From its bold exterior design to its futuristic interior, high-performance capabilities, and pricing details, let's break it down. First, let's talk about the exterior. The Tesla Cybertruck stands out like no other vehicle on the road. Its angular, polygonal design is unlike anything we've seen in a truck before. The body is made from ultra-hard, cold-rolled stainless steel, which gives it a matte finish that not only looks rugged but also makes it highly resistant to dents, scratches, and corrosion. This material choice makes it feel almost indestructible, giving the Cybertruck an armored appearance. The sharp edges and minimalist lines are part of its design philosophy, and while some may find it divisive, it's definitely eye-catching. The Cybertruck looks like it belongs in a futuristic movie, not on today's streets. And that's exactly what Tesla was going for. It's available in a signature silver color, but the finish alone makes it clear this truck was built for durability. And let's not forget the massive exoskeleton-like structure. It's bold and purposeful, built for both aesthetic impact and practicality. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 Cybertruck continues the minimalist approach that Tesla is known for. Inside, you won't find the usual clutter of physical buttons. Instead, the center of the cabin is dominated by a massive 17-inch touchscreen, which controls almost everything from navigation to media and climate settings. It's all digital, creating a clean and modern environment inside the truck. While some people may miss the tactile feel of physical controls, the screen itself is intuitive, easy to use, and offers deep customization options. The interior has a very futuristic feel, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort. The Cybertruck is designed to seat up to 6 people, offering plenty of room in the cabin with ample legroom. Tesla has used premium materials, including high-quality synthetic leather, and the seats are built to provide comfort even on long journeys. There's also significant storage space, with a large front trunk and an enormous bed in the back, perfect for carrying all your gear or tools. Overall, while the Cybertruck may not have the luxury feel of some high-end vehicles, it delivers a clean, modern, and functional interior that's built for utility. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is in a league of its own. Tesla offers multiple powertrain configurations to choose from. The base model comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, but there are also versions with triple motors for higher performance. The performance of the truck is downright impressive. The dual-motor version accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4.5 seconds, which is quick for a pickup truck. But if you opt for the tri-motor version, you're looking at an astonishing 0 to 60 time of just 2.9 seconds, faster than many sports cars. This truck combines blistering speed with incredible towing capacity, boasting a maximum tow rating of 1,400 pounds. Whether you're hauling a boat, a camper, or construction materials, the Cybertruck is more than capable of handling heavy loads. In terms of range, the 2025 Cybertruck also delivers impressive numbers. The base model offers an estimated range of 250 miles per charge, while the higher-end configurations can reach up to 500 miles on a single charge, depending on the battery size and motor configuration. That's more than enough for most people's daily driving needs. And with Tesla's extensive supercharger network, you can easily charge it up during longer trips. The truck also comes with adjustable air suspension, which improves the ride quality, and the high ground clearance makes it ideal for off-roading. It's clear that Tesla designed the Cybertruck to be just as capable off the pavement as it is on. As for pricing, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck offers a range of options to fit different budgets. The base model starts at around $40,000, which is relatively affordable compared to other electric pickups on the market. However, if you're looking for the higher-end versions with the tri-motor powertrain, longer range, and additional features, expect the price to go up to around $70,000 or more. Keep in mind, Tesla also offers various upgrade options, including enhanced autopilot, premium sound systems, and more, which can push the price even higher. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is an incredibly exciting and forward-thinking vehicle. With its bold exterior, minimalist interior, impressive performance stats, and range of pricing options, it's clear that Tesla has created something special. Whether you're looking for a truck that stands out, one that performs like a sports car, or a vehicle that can take on any challenge, the Cybertruck is designed to deliver. So, it's a true game changer in the electric truck space, and it's definitely worth considering for anyone looking for the future of driving today. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the review, and subscribe to AutoGear Hub for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching.